In the very beginning, my mentor introduced me to the work at the University Clinical Center in Ljubljana and entrusted me with the patients.
She offered me great support, not only with research work, but with conversations about career opportunities and life as well.
My mentor has connected me with other researchers and educators in psychology, which has expanded my view of the field even more.
He inspires me not only with his career path, but also with his personality.
What is most important, she has passed her knowledge to me. I'm studying at the Faculty of Computer and Information Science. Currently, I'm in the first year of doctoral program, and I'm working on methods of artificial intelligence to substantially facilitate people's work.
During the exchange, I have been working at the University Clinical Center in Ljubljana in the Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery department.
At Texas Tech University, I have been working on a project that included a review of literature, analyzing results, and working in the lab. I was focusing on MAGE proteins and metabolic stress.
I'm currently studying at the Nova Univerza in Ljubljana at the new Faculty of Law, where I'm working on an academic paper focusing on the topic of human rights in businesses.
At the Psychology Department in the Faculty of Arts, I'm working on several projects. One of them is assisting my mentor with her research on peer bullying and the risk and protective factors by reviewing the current literature.
Hey, Sarah.
Hey, Clementina. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Oh, no problem. So nice to see you. What's up?
So, I've been analyzing data and I have a few questions.
Okay, let's look at it to see what's the problem.
Mentor is a person who helps students to get through the learning process quicker and easier.
We have the role to listen to their wishes and visions, and we support their autonomy and give them opportunity to show their competencies.
If we are good at our work, this reflects also in the work of our students. If we sometimes are not satisfied with the work, maybe we didn't do our job properly.
Students can turn to us and ask us about anything they need.
ASEF provided me an excellent mentor at the University Clinical Center in Ljubljana, who knew how to coordinate the entire team and explained to me everything that I was interested in.
The opportunities that ASEF offers to the students have an important role in their personal and professional development.
Rare programs offer such a complete support system for student exchange and research visit.
ASEF is all about building personal relationships, networks, and giving advice to the students.
The professional relationships I've made so far are already really valuable to me, but I think in the future will be even more helpful and even more valuable.
I have had the exceptional experience of working on multiple projects, which has exceeded my initial expectations for this internship.